Nagkakilala po kami nung high school. First year po ako, tas fourth year siya.
Sa corridor dati nakita ko siya, ang ganda niya talaga eh. Si Nicole, tahimik lang siya pero pag kaming dalawa lang, sobrang clingy niya at sobrang bait at sobrang sweet niya.
Mas clingy pa siya sa akin. Mas parang siya yung yung babae kaysa sa akin. Kasi sa mga barkada niya, parang yabang-yabang niya. Parang astig-astig, pero pagdating sa akin is super sweet, tsaka clingy.
Sana all. Alam ko na talagang oras ako uuwi na.
Parang baliktad eh, reverse. Parang from wild dog naging maamong tuta. So,
Nauuso po kasi ngayon yung umiiyak yung mga cheater. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, ay, ikaw huwag kang iiyak ha, sabi ko sa kanya.
Kasi yung trending ngayon, pag umiyak ka daw, babaero ka daw eh. Tignan ko, di ko pa alam talaga anong mangyayari mamaya.
Baby, see you later. Medyo stressful lang yung pagpaplano natin ng kasal, pero andito na tayo, matatapos na rin. Tsaka sabi ko sa'yo, sumipot ka mamaya, baka hindi ka sisipot. Ayun. Excited na akong makita ka na naghihintay sa harap ng altar. I love you, see you later.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world. And I'm feeling
I vow to always take care of you. I vow to always find a way to fix us pag nag-aaway tayo lagi. I vow to always be there whenever you need me. I love you. I love you for who you are. I love you for who you will be.
you are a part of me. That's where you'll always be. That's where you'll always be a part of me. I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life.
Nicole, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Mirinier, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
You are something I won't lose.
Baby, this is it. Kasal na tayo. From the very start, you always want the best for me. Lagi mong sinasabi na lahat na hindi maging okay, wag lang ako. Lahat na problema, wag lang ako. Pero hindi ko hahayaan na mangyari yun. Kasi mula ngayon, maging okay man o hindi, lahat. Kasama mo ako, kakampi mo ako. I promise to be a good wife, and I promise to be the best mother to our children. I love you always and forever, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
Our eyes, you and me on top of the world. That's where you'll always be.
Once again, I present to you our newly wedded couple, Merinia